I'll show you how chasing clients is not the way to make $2 million a year. I have more clients than subscribers, and while agencies chase big numbers, they are not hitting the 2 million mark. My clients with 2K followers on X make more than influencers with 200K. The world says getting an audience, traffic, money, which is wrong. What we're going over is the follower obsession problem, the math reveal, and the invisible empire case study. So, let me ask you something. When did we decide that followers equal money? It was when we started learning the importance of traffic. We started thinking that zebras are donkeys, the traffic is eyeballs, and we assumed that the eyeballs is where the money is at. Now there are many types of traffic, which is usually gonna be an audience that is not specified for your niche, an audience that is not targeted. Of course, mostly they are going to be the ones you don't even want to deal with, because this is the bulk of the traffic that there is and that exists in any market. So, people think that they need a lot of leads. This is why the mentality of followers matter arised. The viral content attracts the masses, but the masses are broke. They are the same people liking every motivational quote, following every entrepreneur, and saying "Nice try, Diddy" when they see an ad. Nice try, Diddy when they see an ad. The thing is, people need less leads than they think. They think they need more leads than they think, and the reality is that they need better leads. They post fish bait, which is great for being famous, terrible for being rich. Fish bait is not going to make you a lot of money. It's going to make you a lot of followers, sure, but not a lot of money. This is how you see people with 2K followers outperforming people with 1 million followers, for instance. So, if you are going to follow the traditional course of life, if you are going to follow the traditional way, you're going to be stuck trying to chase sales calls. Each sales call is around 45 minutes. You're prepping for 10 minutes per call. That gets you at around 20 hours a week in total, or even more. There are the follow-ups calls, the no-shows. So 100 hours per month, 100 call per month to close 8 deals per week. When you can get better results without even doing all of that, without even chasing that 100-hour work month. You don't need any sales calls. You will increase your close rate to 8%. You can be capable of increasing the value of each sold high-ticket product. And you can reach $100.5 million a month with this system. So, here is the system. You start creating daily content, daily emails that sell belief. After that, you have created a content that is based on insights, that is based on a whale bait. That email is not going to be nurturing them, but rather it is going to be about selling them an idea, selling them a belief, turning them into workshop pairs. Those same workshop pairs, they are now warmer leads. They are primed to spend on larger products. Also, you have the warm leads from your audience. You shouldn't be forgetting them. DM them. And finally, the warm outbound lead and the bi-weekly workshop customers should be getting the Gamma Doc. Your offer, your high-ticket offer explained in details, and that should sell easily, making you double of what you are used to making right now. And I have showed you this picture here. It's from my client. He was making 250 he was making 2,500 a day. That's total 330. That's total 330k a month. Well, he didn't have millions of followers. His videos didn't go viral. He didn't spend anything on ads. He didn't call. So, here are your options. You can learn and do nothing. You can bookmark this video, save it to watch later. 6 months from now, you're still doing the same thing. You can stay exactly where you are, keep burning that 500 a month on the agencies, on trying to build content, while at the same time, you can keep trading time for money. Option 3, you can check this sales page where I explain everything into detail when it comes to how to get from 250k to 2 million a month, a year.